Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to change phone style in Samsung. So if you want to change your Samsung phone style, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't have this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now when you want to change Samsung phone style, you can either use pre-install fonts on your Samsung phone or download your Vivorite font and then use it. So without wasting much of your time, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On settings page, scroll down and then click on display. Then scroll down the page, locate font size and style and click on that. Once you selected that, you see your font style here. Go ahead and click on it. Now here you have different fonts available. You can also click on download fonts here to download or search for available fonts on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can use this search button to search for your preferred font. So just go ahead and then search for fonts. If you have any font available for you to download here, just go ahead and then download the font. So in this case, I already have some font downloaded here. So on my page, I just need to select the font I want to use. So let's say I want to use the Cool Jazz font. So just go ahead and select the font. Now once you selected the font, this is what you're going to have. Now I can just hit the back button and then you should see your Samsung phone font change to this. You see that? For free. So this is completely free. So that is basically how to change font in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.